Welcome to Fatima Farm. Ngayong umaga, kakausapin natin ang manager ng Fatima Farm Resort. No, alamin natin kung ano-ano ba ang pwedeng gawin ng mga activities dito sa Fatima Farm, inside and outside. Tingnan natin kung paano tayo mag-enjoy. Travelista ako, tara na, let's discover together the Fatima Farm Resort. Alright, kasama na po natin ngayon si Miss Yula, no, the manager of this beautiful farm, no, the Fatima Farm Resort. Tatarangin natin siya, no, kung ano ba ang history ng farm na ito kasi sobrang namanga ako, sobrang na-amaze ako sa mga activities dito sa Fatima Farm Resort, Miss Yula. Kasi hindi lamang, no, makikita ang the beautiful island of Guimaras,
Yes.
but this beautiful Fatima Farm Resort. Miss Yula, would you please share something about this beautiful farm resort? Paano ba nagsimula ito?
Well, it actually started when the recent owner purchased the land. This used to be actually a mango farm. And then part of it, a portion of it, it used to be also the convent of the sisters of
yung
Saint,
mga madre.
yes,
Wow.
the disciples of Saint Pius XIII from Binondo, Manila.
Mm-mm.
So, in fact, some of our structures are original structures of the convent.
Oh.
And also, we have the famous shrine, Our Lady of
yun,
Fatima. Yes.
Lady of Fatima.
She's, in fact, one of the 10 original statues from Portugal. Nagtatayuan yung balahibo ko every time I talk about
So, dinala
our
dito
shrine.
from Portugal?
That's right.
Wow.
And she was believed to be missing for a couple of years. And then the Archdiocese of Haro was looking for her. And then it was finally discovered that she's located here in Guimaras.
Wow. So, that's why naipili itong si Fatima Farm Resort.
Yes.
And I've heard that Fatima Farm Resort is 83 hectares, no, the total land.
Yes, 83 hectares.
Oh, sobrang laki po. So talagang pag nandito ka, hindi ka makakauwi sa isang araw na ikot.
Yes.
Sa sobrang lapad. Nagtataka lang ako, Miss Yula, kasi itong mga farm, itong mga mangga na ito, ba't ang liliit? No, akala ko dati, ito ay parang magmamay-ari ng mga maliliit na tao. Ano ba? Ano ba to?
Well, because as I've mentioned earlier, it used to be a mango farm talaga.
Mm-mm.
And in total, we have about 2,200 trees.
2,200
Yes.
trees. Wow, sobrang
The
dami.
entire property.
Mhm.
And this is now managed by the BPI, the Bureau of Plant and Industry,
Mhm.
and we only get a portion of it.
Mm.
Kasi some of the trees are really old. So kailangan na silang i-rehabilitate.
Mm-mm.
And medyo medyo malapit daw yung ano nila sa
Mga
isa't
ugat.
yung
Oo.
ugat. So maybe that's one of the reason why you notice na medyo maliit sila. But it's good kasi hindi siya masyadong mataas, madali siya to
Kunin.
harvest. Yeah.
Oo, siguro kung kapitbahay mo ako, pag may
You
bunga
will-
yan, mawawala yan.
Yes.
Alam mo na kung saan nang
Yeah.
napunta. So, Miss Yola, kwentuhan mo kami, no? Ano-ano pa ba yung mga activities na pwedeng gawin natin dito? Kung sakali, for example, me is coming from Boracay Island, ano ang gagawin ko dito sa Guimaras, dito sa Fatima Farm Resort, kapag ako'y magbisita dito? Pwede po ba natin pag-usapan yun?
Sure. Definitely we cannot compete with Boracay in terms
Oh,
of the
of course.
beaches.
Ayan.
But we have something very unique to offer here at
Mm-mm.
Fatima, which is what we call experiential tourism.
Wow.
Kasi it is where we will be able to set an awareness, lalo na sa younger generation,
Totoo.
where their food actually come from.
Mm.
So, maybe we move to the view deck so I can,
Ano naman makikita natin sa view deck
well,
doon?
you will see overlooking kasi siya ng wind turbines.
Okay, sige,
The
tingnan
famous
natin.
San Lorenzo
So,
wind
mas
farm.
masarap pag-usapan talaga, no?
Yes.
Over that viewing deck,
Yes.
yung about the Fatima. Let's go, siguro.
Yes.
Yeah. Yun na nga kanina, ma'am, no? Yung galing tayo dun sa baba, sa may mango, talagang ang papandak talaga. Oh, so dito na-realize ko na matangka din naman pala ako. Matangka din naman pala ako. Pero, Miss Yula, I just would like to know, gaano ba kalaki talaga itong na ito? Yung Fatima Farm and ang developed land. I think I've heard na hindi pa lahat na develop, no?
Okay.
And maliban doon, sabi ko nga, last night, pakaganda ng vibe. Kasi nga, unang-una, yung room accommodation ninyo. Ako kasi for more than 10 years, industriya ng hotel, I always ensure itong mga aircon, shower, yung bed, no, na maging comfortable ang bisita. At napakaganda kasi parang hindi ata cable ang gamit nyo, parang
Smart TV.
Smart TV, no? Napakaganda kasi nga upgraded. Kasi some other hotels, yeah, they still based on the cable, no? And isa sa mga nagustuhan ko rin nga dito, Miss Yula, is yung service ng mga tao, no? Kasi imagine mo, pagpasok pa lang, kahit nga kahapon from the port, yun na, ini-introduce na nang nagsundo sa amin, no? Ini-introduce niya na ang unang pinakita talaga, this is the smallest plaza in the world. Ay, the world daw. Kasi nga, may nasa book of record na yun. So anyway, natuwa ako kasi in-introduce. And then, pagdating namin dito, wow, ganda ng vibe ng mga, alam mo yung the real customer service. Kasi, nakasmile, nakangiti, yung greetings ng mga tao. Guimaras is just an island, but parang exceptional siya kasi nga, pwede na siya mag-compete to other islands destination.
Wow.
No? Ay, isa pa, gusto kong sabihin, last night, yung mga security guards, so talagang secured ka dito. Kasi nga, imagine mo, abang nag-ikot-ikot ako, no? Sabi niya, sir, kung may need pa kayo, mamaya, wala ako dito, sir. Nandun kami, kung may kailangan ka, sir, doon mo ako puntahan. Wow, sabi ko, alam mo,
that's our security, right?
Yes, secured ka eh. Kung kumbaga pa. So, maliban doon sa very knowledgeable yung mga staff mo, sinisecure nyo pa yung mga bisita nyo bilang guest. Yun ang hinahanap ko. Bakit ako pupunta sa isang lugar na hindi ako secured?
Of course.
So, well, this is the right place for me. Di ba? Tapos isa pa, bago ka magkwento ng ikwento ko na, baka makalimutan ko pa mamaya. Yung vibe na kapag hinahanap mo yung sarili mo, kasi yung mga crickets, pag sa loob naman ng kwarto, hindi naman rinig yung crickets. No? Gusto ko lang sabihin yun sa mga ating televiewers and Facebook viewers na napakasarap ng tulog mo sa loob kasi hindi mo, wala kang ingay na maririnig outside. No? Kapag nasa ka, parang nagre-retreat ka. If you're, kumbaga pa yung sarili mo hinahanap mo, ito na yung lugar. Pero by the way, Miss Yula, ano ba yung meron dito? Ilang rooms ba tayo? Anong mga kategory natin dito? Anong kalaki na yung mga develop? And what can we expect about Fatima Farm Resort?
Okay, so as of this time, we have 3 categories rooms namin. We have the standard, we have the superior, and then we have our retreat houses. Kasi as you mentioned, we do cater for retreats and company team buildings, maybe later, and then group check-ins talaga. So we're really big on those 2 target markets namin, which is retreats at saka yung group check-ins. So both the government and then the private sectors would usually, book with us for their strategic planning at saka yung mga seminars nila is usually held here. Especially those based in Iloilo and Negros, para maiba naman daw yung nila. So they would come here. And then, apart from that, of course, Malapit lang yung Fatima actually to the tourist destinations here.
Okay.
So, ang nearest sa amin, because we're located in San Lorenzo, I think everybody who's familiar with Guimaras Island have heard about our wind turbines.
Oo.
So, I'm not sure if you can see it, but we
Yeah,
are actually,
nandyan, oo.
andyan siya.
Ang dami nga eh.
Oo.
Oo. Akala ko nga malalaking electric fan.
Yeah.
Na akala ko sa sobrang hangin dito, doon galing yung hangin sa
no.
turbines na yun.
Actually, that's one of the trivia ng mga locals na kaya daw mahangin sa Guimaras
Kasi
kasi
maraming electric
maraming
fan.
electric fans.
Ang lalaki pa.
Ang lalaki, yes, that's right. So, the tourists, sometimes they would love to go and visit the wind turbines. And we also have the salt, ano tawag nun? Parang where we gather the salt. It's also located here in San Lorenzo. It's one of the tourist destination also. Local sa munisipyo lang ng San Lorenzo.
Yeah, San Lorenzo is a municipality.
It's a municipality. And also, the location of Fatima is quite prime kasi 30 minutes away siya on both wharfs Hordan at saka ng Buena Vista Wharf.
Ayun din pala, no?
Yes.
Yung kahapon, we were asked kung saan kami daw, sir, saan kang patungo? Hordan or Buena Vista? Sige, teka lang, saan ba ako? Oo. But, yeah, nandito nga tayo sa Hordan. Kung may service ka pala, mas maganda sa may Hordan.
Either way. Kasi, if you have your own car, you can get the Roro and Hordan yung baba nyo. But if fiber, you can either choose Hordan Wharf or Buena Vista Wharf.
Yung may ganon.
Merong ganon. And then we will manage or arrange the van pickup sa dalawang wharf na yun.
Yun. Mas maganda siya. Both pwede mong i-pick up. Pero I was advised by the local in there na kung wala ka daw sasakyan na dinug-walk-in ka lang, mas accessible kung doon ka sa Buena Vista bababa.
Correct.
Kasi mas maraming sasakyan doon. So, sekreto lang yan yung tip ko sa inyo. Pero, mas maganda talaga if you book in advance na. Kasi ma-arrange po ni Fatima Farm Resort. Ayun, maganda. Sige, yun lang na naalala ko lang while coming here.
So, apart from what they can see outside also, we also offer yung mga tours sa mga guests namin dito inside. So, we also have tie-ups with some of the resorts here and some restaurants dito na we can bring them if they want to sample a different type of menu. Kasi dito naman sa amin, it's farm to table.
So farm to table, ibig sabihin nun, galing dun sa farm mo, bibit-bitin na lang dun sa table mo para kainin.
Sa farm ni sir.
Sa farm ni sir.
Sa farm ni
sir. Ayun.
So, those are the activities that we can offer. And here naman, we offer yun nga, yung sa farm activities namin, they can do fishing. They can catch or cast their own line. Tapos papalinis nila and then they will cook. Kikiluhin din siya and then they can cook their own.
Pero yun ang hinahanap ko actually na kasi di ba yung iba bibili ka na lang. Pero dito kumbaga pa hand on hand yung experience na ikaw mismo mag-experience catching it. Pero syempre kasi it's business, kikiluhin, babayaran mo. Hindi naman ay mo libre, no? And I mean, you still need to pay. Pero yung the experience itself, tama yun, no? Okay, what else po?
So we also have animal feeding. This is very popular sa mga kids. Kasi meron kaming mga guests na mga bata na it's their first time to see yung mga chickens, mga ducks. So like for example, let me share to you the story ni Boss at saka sa mga anak niya. So he mentioned that while growing up daw dati, yung mga anak niya, they didn't really know kung saan nanggaling yung chickens. They thought na it's from the supermarket, na gano'n na siya, dressed na siya. And it was parang interesting to them to see the chickens are running and then alive. So, I think that stuck with our boss, the owner, and he wants the younger generation to grow, yung love sa agriculture. Kasi it's a dying profession.
Totoo. Pero sa ibang bansa, farming, yun ang pinakamayaman na profession. Yung kaibigan ko nga, pupunta na ibang bansa kasi daw ang sahod 90,000.
Oo. But I know it's not so much here in the Philippines.
Yeah, of course. Kasi yun nga, as you mentioned, parang sa Pilipinas, parang dying profession na. Pero sa kaalaman ng lahat, yung farming po, yun po talaga ang pinaka ano natin, yung tanging yaman ng Pilipinas. Kasi farming, especially Guimaras, no? Akala ko nga dati yung Guimaras, isang island lang siya. Tapos nakita ko doon, mamaya makikita natin, we'll also go up, no? Makikita natin kung ano pa doon yung, may another island pa doon, yung parang Boracay kalaki, na wala, maganda lang tingnan sa itaas. Alright, so maliban doon, ma'am, ano pa, you can feed the chicken or the mga animals.
They can also do some milking.
Sa mga chicken or?
No, we have Carabao.
Carabao.
So we offer fresh Carabao's milk, which we are also using sa mga outlets namin. And then our garden is also trying to produce their own cheese. So yon. And then we also, because part of it we give to the dairy box of the province. So again, as maybe by now you can see where the heart of the owners is really with the farming. Kasi nga they grew up in a farming family also, so they just really want to go back to their roots. And like what our boss would always say, that we are not feeding their body, but we are feeding their soul, because it's a tie-up of the Fatima Shrine, of the statue that is existing. So it's actually really beautiful. I think our resort is unique in such a way that no other resort can offer the tie-up of, you know, the holistic.
Yeah.
Na, ano.
So you mentioned galing pa sa Portugal yung Fatima Shrine na yon. And sa mga religious dyan, you can do your Via Crucis here or your Way of the Cross. Kasi ang ano talaga, ang ganda ng mga statue every station. No, feeling ko nga babalik ako dito sa ano sa every Quaresma, di ba? Malapit na. Hindi, next year na tatapos na pala.
But we have our October renewal. If you're free, you can come and join us October 13 this year.
Renewal of
the statue.
Wow.
It's her renewal and consecration. So we celebrate her every year. And then sa May also we have another celebration. So it's one of the biggest celebration of the resort.
Oh, gusto ko 'yan. I hope na wala akong prior schedule na, no. And I've also seen na meron kayong horseback riding ano doon sa ano kahapon. Oo. So you have also horses.
Yeah, we have horses, we have cows. Then we have pigs.
You do ano also baggy car? Ano ba yung tawag doon?
We have Kalesa.
Kalesa
ride. And then we have horseback riding. And what else do we have? Yun nga, animal feeding. And then for kids who are interested to do some harvest, the garden can offer the pick and pay. So they will pick whatever they can manage and then magbabayad lang yung magulang.
Ay maganda yun. Oh. Especially sa naghahanap ng summer camp, no, sa mga kids. No, I used to do this with the group before. Ito yung mga kids summer camp. Isa siguro sa mga i-recommend natin na ito na, may lugar na tayo. No? Sa mga kakilala ko dyan, mga ka-partners ko dyan sa kids, dito na tayo.
Yes.
Kasi meron kami noon, ginagawa namin, yung parang, yung mga kids, we camp them for 3 nights. At 2 nights, 3 days and 2 nights. And then yung mga activity na hindi nila nagagawa, kasi pag-aaral, busy yung parents. So, and then socializing with other kids. Dito madadagdagan kasi nga from the perspective of the owner na yung chicken pala hindi galing doon sa dressed chicken sa mall. Ito pala gino-grow. And then saka na lang i-dress. Kung gusto mo siyang kainin, hindi kainin mo.
But at least the kids, they would see where their food come from. Hindi lang sa supermarket na, you know,
maturuan talaga. Maturuan talaga yung mga bata. Hindi sila mga bata yun. Hindi lang sa mga bata, pati na yung ibang mga tao na lumaki na lang bigla. Na, well, they are smart enough. Actually, matatalino sila. Pero they are lack of appreciation of the nature. This is part of the nature. This is part of the environment. And, you know, experiencing na siguro kapag manga day ito, pwede rin siguro ma-experience picking up of manga.
Yes,
no?
we do have
siguro ang bango-bango dito kapag manga, ano, no?
Yes.
Tapos, hindi dilaw na, no? Kumbaga green, pinipik na siya.
Green siya na parang malapit na siyang mag-yellow. So, there's a period where you can, it's really perfect for picking.
Alright. So, Other than that, Miss Yula, ano pa, no, ang pwede naming ma-experience sa Fatima Farm Resort as kapag pumunta kami dito, ano pa yung expect namin ng mga activities other than that? Siguro pag-usapan natin sa itaas.
Sa taas,
Maganda
okay.
doon, no?
Sure.
So pag-usapan natin, ano pa ba? No, dami dito. So other than the activity that you mentioned, like yung pwede mamingwit, pwede yung horseback riding, pwede yung pag ano ng gatas sa kalabaw, pwede mag-feed, pwede mag-pick ng vegetable yung mga bata, or I've also seen swimming pool, di ba?
Yes, we
Oo.
do have a swimming pool here.
And also, sa lugar ninyo, may nakita ako kahapon doon, yung parang napakalaking convention. Anong pangalan nga nun?
That's our Grand Pavilion.
Grand Pavilion. Ilang tao ang pwede doon?
As of this time, we can accommodate 300.
Wow, 300.
Yes.
So, ibig mo bang sabihin, ma'am, ang lugar ng Fatima ay nag-cater din ng wedding?
Yes,
Or
we
any
do.
events, like wedding, ano pa? 18th birthday or any
Yes,
birthdays?
Yes, we do.
So, ano pa po yung mga events na nangyayari dito?
Yung popular sa amin is yung parang wedding destination.
Okay.
And then also we cater to birthdays, to 18th birthday, and also mga seminars, which is quite big with the local government agencies here in Guimaras. Kasi as of this time, parang kami pa lang yung maka-cater ng ganong kalaki. So 300. And on the side of it, meron kaming maliit na function room which can accommodate up to 60 packs.
Wow. So, ang 300 na yon, is it air-conditioned?
It's air-conditioned.
Oh, yun ang
both function,
maganda.
yes.
Yun ang maganda. Kasi yung iba, ang nakita ko dito sa Guimaras, meron silang function, pero ano siya, outdoor siya.
Yes.
Kasi you can have indoor activity and you can have outdoor activity. And that's a good catch sa
Yes.
ano natin, sa mga, yun ang basic na hinahanap ng ating mga, ng mga groups. No? Other than that, nakita ko siyempre itong si Our Lady of Fatima, sabi mo nga, galing sa Portugal. So, how often itong mga bisita na pumupunta just for that?
Regularly. Kasi meron ding mga pumupunta dito from different religious groups who would only come to pray. So, the religious groups and mga devotees, they can actually enter the resort for free
Oh.
if their intention is to pray.
I've seen the prayer room
Yes,
dito sa
yes.
So, yung prayer room, it is open to all in-house guests?
Yes, open to in-house guests as well as mga day tour. And the prayer room is actually, it was designed as non-denominational.
Okay, so anybody can,
can.
any religious,
Yes.
Religion or religious?
Religion can
Can
come in and
come.
pray, yes.
Okay, that's nice.
Mhm.
Kasi kumbaga pa, hindi ito para lang sa'yo, no? Di ba? Oo. So, what are the markets na normally nakakatch nyo as of this time?
As of this time, we have the group. So we have a group,
Normally, they're coming from?
they're coming from mainland Iloilo, and then early this year, we have the Nueva Ecija Archdiocese. So we have about 37 priests na nag-R&R dito.
Dito mismo?
Yes, dito mismo. And we also have, yun nga, I've mentioned earlier, yung mga government agencies, private schools who would facilitate the retreats. So, mga high schoolers, senior high graduating students would usually come here and then facilitate their retreats. So, the prayer room is very popular sa kanila kasi nga doon sila nagre-retreat and then they would do their recollection.
Especially yung mga group natin from Corep, shoutout natin sila,
Yes.
di ba? So if you are they welcome to, siyempre, di ba? That this is part of their parang activity for the
Yes.
whole year. So you guys, you can come. I personally experienced it. I'm recommending it, no?
Oh, thank you.
Punta kayo dito. Kasi sobrang lapad no? Alright, yeah. So government people, private sector, religious.
And let me just add in, because you've mentioned about the Corep, we are also working very closely with the local state university here, which is the Guimaras State University.
Okay.
So they would send their OJT students. Because of the nature of the establishment, we cater din sa mga tourism students, hospitality students, and also agriculture.
Wow.
So, dito sila nag-OJT, and then we also respond to requests for research. So, we support them.
Wow, pwede. Kasi yung iba, ayaw nilang i-declare yung about sa research, yung ibang mga resorts na.
But we're open. We're open to that.
The heart of this Fatima Farm Resort is to really help the community grow.
Yes, I think we can give it to the owner, to our boss, kasi he himself is an educator.
Okay.
So that's why he's really big in supporting all these institutions. And whatever yung mga request minsan ng even the state university, the local state university, were very supportive, especially when it comes to, kasi gusto niya yung immersive yung experience ng mga students. Because what he views is that eventually sila din yung magiging target employees of the establishment. Not only here in Fatima, but the entire island of Guimaras.
Kasi alam mo kung maganda yung market ng buong island.
Yes.
Wow, sobrang I've seen also retreat houses. Napakaganda ng design. Would you tell us about it?
So our retreat houses is actually divided into 2 types of room. We have the standard room from 1 to 6, and then from 7 to 10, that will be the dormitory. The dormitory can actually accommodate a maximum of 12.
Okay.
Mga bunk beds doon. And it's popular yun nga sa mga retreaters or yung mga campers na medyo, because it's very budget friendly in comparison to other rooms that we have at the main resort. So the retreat houses namin is actually parang if you look at from a certain angle, para siyang train. So, yun nga, if we have kids na we tour them, they would see it, and then, it's amazing that yung mga maliliit na bata, they would, it looks like a train.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
parang ganon.
Oo. So, may question lang ako, Kung mag-camp sila, kasi palibot tayo ng mangga, ng mga kahoy na ito. Can they put their tent outside?
Yes.
Allowed?
Yeah, we allow
Okay,
them.
great.
We only charge them a pitching fee.
Okay.
I can't really remember how much, but
At least
very
meron.
very
Basta meron.
minimal. And then we also have some restrooms, public restrooms na may shower at saka may
For
toilet
the campers.
for
yeah.
the campers.
Nice.
Yes.
All right. So, Miss Yola, I've already, kumbaga pa, emotionally, yung bodily, yung curiosity ko ay busog na, no? Siyempre, ang kulang na lang is, na gusto kong itanong sa iyo, paano naman namin mabusog yung aming mga katawan, no?
That's
Ano, what else pa, or ano pa yung ino-offer ni Fatima para naman sa ating body, no? You have what?
So, in our outlets, we have our signature dishes. So, one is our chicken binakol because it's a native chicken.
So, you have the restaurant?
Yes, we have
ito yung,
restaurants.
isa lang ba? Ilan ba yung restaurant? Yung
We
nakita
have
ko,
Elena's. And then we have Fuchsia outside.
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia.
Okay.
But actually, boss said it's supposed to be pronounced as Fusa.
Okay.
Because it means wind in Japanese. And then later on, we're also developing another hall, which we call eventually will be Ludovico Hall. So as of this time, the active outlets, tatlo lang. We have our Elena's and then the Fuchsia outside.
So what are the specialties na talagang masasabi nyo, this is ours?
For Fuchsia is our chicken native binakol.
Ay, gusto ko yun.
Oo. And then we also have the bulalo. And then our pork sisig, and then lechon kawali. So those are parang staple in both outlets.
Yeah, yesterday we tried the chicken kawali. I think napaka siya. Pwede siya mag-compete sa other restaurants. So yun, nabusog na natin yung ating katawan, ang ating, yung yung heart natin, yung soul natin, nabusog na yung spirit natin, yung body natin. Siyempre alam ko kayo yung nanonood dyan, nagtatanong na kung mag-visit ba kayo dito sa Guimaras Island, dito sa Fatima Farm Resort. Miss Yola, I just would like to wish on the wishing well. Di ba? toss a coin. Yung mga gano'n, no? Anyway, Miss Yola, paano kami, no, sa mga ating televiewers and Facebook viewers, how can we book, no? Saan kami ko-contact? Ano ang gagawin namin? Para naman maka-visit kami dito sa actually ako na-visit ko na, no? Sa Fatima Farm Resort, ma'am.
Well, we're very active in our Facebook page. Sa Facebook Messenger, we usually respond to it immediately. I think that's the best contact. Kasi dito sa island, we are, having difficulties with the signal. So, our Facebook page is Fatima Farm Resort-Guimaras.
So, sa Facebook page talaga. You have telephone number here?
Yes, we do have the phone number. All the details is also in our page.
Okay.
However, yung messenger namin is very active.
Yun talaga.
Yun yung talaga, yung parang fastest way to get in touch with us.
Yes, kasi maganda yung I think sa restaurant, sa kwarto, mayroong signal ng Wi-Fi.
Yes.
No? At saka, mas maganda mag-contact dito via messenger Wi-Fi versus to regular number.
Correct.
Tama. Pero it's good to contact with, kung gusto niyo talaga may makausap, it's good also to contact via phone, no, sa telephone number. We will also flash here sa na to.
Or I can give my personal number.
Yes, pero baka mamaya iba na yung mag-message sa iyo, no? Okay. Meron ka po bang gustong pasalamatan or gustong i-invite? Please invite them before we end our Travelista Ako. Tara na, kasama po si Miss Yola. Miss Yola, hit!
So please, if you have time to visit Guimaras, do visit us here at Fatima Farm Resort because we have a lot of things to offer and kulang yung isang araw.
Totoo yun.
So please do come and visit us, especially during our Manggahan Festival, the Provincial Festival, and the Dragon Fruit Festival.
Yes. Wow, Dragon Fruit Festival. Kasi while coming here, may nakita ako doon ang lapad ng dragon fruit, no? And then pa, yung turbines na yun, sobrang lapit lang. Tapos ang lalaki parang mga higante. Yung siya, kasalungat siya ng mangga. Yun. Sobrang taas. Sobrang no? So, sa lahat po ng mga supporters ng ating Travelista Ako, tara na. This is the second episode, no, ng ating Travelista Ako. At your Boracay guide, si Coach RM, went here in Guimaras Island to visit, of course, the Fatima Farm Resort here at San Enrique. No, yun po yung barangay and then Municipality of San Lorenzo, Guimaras Island. So the easiest way, as Ms. Yola said, you can connect to their Facebook page, no, sa kanilang messenger because they are more active to that. No? I'm looking forward to see you on my next journey. Ms. Yola, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome to Boracay. Welcome to Sawadee. At Sawadee, we blend traditional Filipino hilot techniques and Sawadee's signature massage with the tranquility of Boracay.
Naghahanap ka ba ng karenderya na sulit sa iyong bulsa? Manok na inasal, sobrang sarap at malasa, hindi pagsisisihan. Pag ito iyong matikman, gutom mo ay mapapawi. Bawat kagat ay gaganahan. Huwag na mag-alala, bili na at iyong tikman. Subukan ng inasal na paborito ng kabataan. Proseso sa pagluluto ay talagang napakalinis. Sa bisyo ay maganda, walang problema, walang mintis. Gutom mo ay mawawala, may ngiti ka sa pag-uwi sa iyong pagkain. Ikaw ay
Chicken is very yummy.
Sobrang sarap. Napaka-juicy ng chicken nila. As you can see. Sarap.
Very lumpy.
Super sarap. Walang asimot. Kahit buto, pwede mong kainin.
Sarap. Quality and manunuot ang lasa.
Saboroso, manamit, sulit.
Masabor, manamit, mainit.
Masabor! Manamit!
Namit.
dayo at bago sa isla ng Boracay. Huwag na magdalawang isip, isa sa'yo'y naghihintay. Ikaw ay kumain para ikaw ay mabusog. Pwedeng pananghalian, pangapunan, pwede rin pang pasalubong. Ilonggo, inasal, pinakamura, hindi mahal. Sa iyong paborito ay meron ka ng sandal. Ilonggo, inasal, pinakamura, hindi mahal.
Leave a lasting impression on your clients with the new way to present yourself. 10K Cards, the modern approach to business cards. No longer will you have to worry about losing your business card or wear and tear. 10K Cards is the central point of your networking. From WhatsApp to Instagram to LinkedIn, provide people with the ability to connect with you like never before from one central hub. Get instant access to your own landing page that has everything users and clients need to engage with you. 10K Cards let customers pay you with Zelle, Venmo, or Cash App. Book an appointment with your booking system, provide directions to your address, add links to your products, and much more. Anyone with a smartphone camera is able to scan your customized Q code to get an immediate access to your card. Users and clients are able to save you as a contact in their phone book directly from your digital card. Better yet, users can save your card directly to their home screen and always have direct access to you at a moment's notice. Get 10K Cards, your revolutionary digital business card.
And let's welcome our special guest for tonight, Miss Lovely Caldeo! Partner, kamusta? Oo, sobra. Grabe. Alright, thank you so much mga ka-3K series, Kapihan, Karunungan, Kwentuhan series for supporting this live conversation. Partner, let us end this live in a count of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye! See you tomorrow! This is Coach RM Lubaton, your local TV host. Abangan yung 3K series, Kapihan, Karunungan, Kwentuhan series from Thursday to Saturday, 9 to 10 p.m. Be inspired, be motivated sa ating mga special guests. Alright, so guys, see you! Thank you so much, 3K series supporters!